What is going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. Welcome back to another episode. It has been a while since I've done this, guys. It's been a little bit, but I have some good reasoning for it. It's absolutely killed me that I've not posted a video in 2 to 3 weeks, but it's not like I haven't tried. The fishing's honestly been iffy, and when I say iffy, like, we've caught some fish. We've had some very good king salmon outings. We've had some really good bass fishing outings, but I just feel like I hold my content to like a harsher level now. Like, if I go out and say catch 2 kings, because of the first 2 videos, we had what, 12 and 15 in the first 2. I just didn't really want to post like a half-ass video. I just didn't want it to make it look like I'm trying to get this video out for views or clicks or whatever, because yes, this is my full-time job. I got to get videos out, but my sponsors were well aware of kind of what I'm in the middle of right now. Other than coming out with new products, the everyday grind, social media, just my everyday job, obviously that is still all in full effect. I'm still doing that every day. A lot of my job too isn't just these videos, it's really social media, Instagram, TikTok, is really all of it across the board. And one of the things I really wanted to get a hold of was the shipping on my website. The mcgrathfishing website is fully functional, working. I made it myself. If you guys want to check it out, I adjusted all the prices because the shipping was just so insane in the US that it was a joke. So I got to figure it out, but that is the least of our problems right now. So I jumped the gun a little bit too quick and I already hooked up the boat. I actually have to go pick up mine and my fiance's dog, Kenzie, because she's at her dad's right now. Or Meg's dad's, I should say, not Kenzie's dad's. So I'm gonna go get the dog, but we are gonna be doing some fishing this afternoon. I'm excited. I'm excited to get back out with Pistol too. I think today's gonna be a pretty fun day. I hope the bite's decent because I feel like the last few times me and P have gone fishing, it's just been like iffy, other than obviously when he goes up north, it's always really good, but hopefully we can get a good bite for that. Other than that, me and Meg are actually looking to buy our first house, and we are in the middle of the process. It's basically just boiling down to finding the right one and making an offer, and it's really close. And I am gonna film all that just because I think it's a cool experience. And I have put my entire life on social media for the last 4 years, so I don't want to change it now. I keep you guys updated with everything. Yeah, that's basically where we're at right now. Buckle up. 9 o'clock right now. Let's go get the dog, go get coffee, and I'll come back to you guys. Dude, it's a tank. It's a tank. Step 1 complete. Off to the coffee can. I'm actually gonna do a pizza for lunch before I go out fishing, but I'm gonna cook it on that wood fire or that wood pellet stove because it looks so amazing. And I actually just got that for my dad for his birthday gift. So I'm actually gonna pick up a frozen pizza. I'll stop at like a Casey's or a grocery store real quick. Can I do a 20-ounce cafe mocha, please?
Yeah, is that gonna be hot today?
Yes, please.
Alrighty, anything else for you today?
Can I also do the Armadillo?
Yeah. Alright, we'll have both those up at the window for you.
Alright, thank you. I don't know if that was supposed to be like that, but I just said Armadillo and it's Armarillo.
Mocha and Amarillo?
Yep.
1627.
Thank you.
That's a nice truck, man.
Appreciate it. Thank you very much. Gracias, too. Appreciate it. Thank you. You too. Amaria. Hey, Kenzie. Guys, with having a new house coming soon, the content and the vlogging, I feel like everything's just gonna be like next level. I feel like we're gonna be able to film everything. Things going on in my life, Meg's life. Me and Meg are gonna be together a lot more. Meg will be in the videos way, way more just because everything's gonna be easier. So I'm super excited for that. But let's cook this pizza and go fishing. A boxer raised by Dobes. She's learned the Dobe way. These 2 dogs right here are obsessed with these. Like, watch, and he'll put 2 in his mouth. We have 3 dogs, but you got to put 4 balls out because look, he'll eat. All right, so what we're gonna do? You come back here. This is where you can put wood in here, or you can do pellets. But I am just gonna do these Traeger wood pellets. So honestly, once I just get these going, I'll put this in here. Just kind of helps it go. Open this, a little bit more air, oxygen in there. So I'm gonna let all that charcoal fluid burn off, kind of get those things going, and then once we get up to temperature, which I think is about 400 to 500, temperature gauges right here. So basically everything you see here is what comes with it. Obviously those do not, but something to turn the pizza, pretty nice, quality handle. And this we already had, so I'm just gonna put the pizza on this when we're done. Where we at? are basically like 350, 400. I think you're supposed to get these way warmer, but I'm just gonna say screw it and go with it. That is literally a perfect pizza. Obviously right here, definitely got like a little, not burnt, a little bit overcooked on the edges, but that's because that flame is ripping. All right, so that last minute definitely did, not burnt it, but overcooked a little bit on that one edge just because that was the closest to the fire. So let's cut this thing. Unreal. Well guys, I cooked it out here. I gotta eat it out here. First bite, shouldn't be too hot. Oh, yep, it's scalding, look at that. One bite, everyone knows the rules. The flop, not the best. I'm not the biggest frozen pizza guy, but this pizza would absolutely be awful if it was cooked in a normal oven. The wood and the pellet, just like the way the fire cooked it, way better than a normal frozen pizza would actually taste. But I think the actual taste of the pizza really just isn't my favorite. Honestly, I don't even remember buying half these crankbaits. Gonna take you there in the midnight hour. Peek and feel the roar. There we go. Oh, dude. Oh my God, it's a tank, it's a tank, it's a tank. Pete, come on, it's a tank.
What was that on?
Ned. My second cast after switching from the crankbait to the Ned. Oh guys, it's a pretty decent fish right there. Probably solid, that's a solid 3.5. 4 pounds? Nice. No, probably 3.5. No motor lake. Pretty good one. Let's go. Hi guys, first fish. I was throwing the crankbait honestly a lot, and I literally switched to the Ned. Switched to the Ned, second cast. Caught a solid 3.5, 4 pounder. Oh dude. Dude, it's a tank, it's a tank. Bring him in. Dude, it's a tank, that's literally a tank. Hang on, dude, that's a tank. This thing's probably 5 pounds. Guys, look at this. Pick on an absolute bucket. There.
Buckets.
Dude, that's a tank. Let's get a weight on that real quick. That blows. I don't know my scale. The unofficial PB.
Do you think?
Yeah. Let's go.
There wasn't.
Another one, guys. Peace on the phone, but Basically just on like a small underwater point that sticks out with a big drop off. A lot of laydowns around. A lot of logs in the water. Well guys, I have about a 3.5, 4 pounder. P's got about a 4.5, 5 pounder. But unfortunately it's gonna be the unofficial PB now.
I know.
That's what blows. Think about it, you'll never catch that fish again, most likely. Dude, what the hell? No, my trolling motor, that's the second
Somebody like out here like right by this house, like
Yeah, I think they're all over. I've marked so many along the way. Oh. Another nice one. Come on, P. Come on, P. I need this. This is... Ow!
Oh, God, what the
Okay, ready? It's gonna come right up to you. Nice. Thank God for 112 pound thrust. I'm on spot lock.
shit for now?
Good. All right, guys, my third of the day. Not a bad one. Good fish. The bite is on. Fall bass fishing, the fall feed bag in full effect for these largemouth, and it is windy, and I think that's why the bite is so good right now.
Holy shit.
Small little. No, 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 no. Do not bring a rod in. Don't be an idiot. Don't be suspicious. You guys, little bass. What do you got there, P?
Really? Let go. Catch of the day. We call this the alley-oop.
I'm calling DNR on you. Because I got me a farm and I got me a fan. Hold on to it. Hold on to it. Ooh. Hold. Don't do it. Don't do it. Ice, ice, ice. Bring it on. A nice afternoon deluxe fishing trip. Here comes more rain. Dude, I just want like one more decent fish before we have to call this day at daybreak. Sun's coming up. I got cakes on the griddle. Yeah, there's only 4 fish in this entire thing. I believe it. Honestly, for about 2 years, I thought there was no bass in here. St. Croix Victory Rod. Some of the best. I just don't have any confidence at all in a moving bait. And if we're about to leave, I'm gonna finish with what I know. We have marked some giants under the boat, but who knows what the hell they are. Like, I think under us right now is a bass. P, during the fall, you're not supposed to catch leaves, dude. It's bass fishing.
Oh. Is that what they call it?
I'm not taking you next time.
Yeah, you know, I wouldn't either, you know. Stealing all the 5-pounders and shit. Unbelievable. Oh!
Oh, dude, that's a big one. That's a big one. Oh my God, not. Dude, he took it and ran out. Oh, no. Pete, watch out. Yeah, let's go. Oh my God. Oh my God, look, the net already popped out. Can you take the net back there? Well, guys. Another nice smallmouth. I wanted one more nice one. Probably right at the 3 pound. Yeah, probably right at the 2 3/4, 3 pound mark. Not a bad fish. Get this right back in. Do you wish you had like a pumpkin spice latte or something? To really take in the fall mood. What is that? How many inches is that? A school of wood? How does a school of wood work?
See,
School of Rock. Tonight is gonna be a jailbreak. Holy shit. I've done all this today too in the St. Croix Legend Elite. The 7-foot medium light instead of the medium. You think everyone would lose their mind if I just started ripping around with the engine here? Would you ever live in one of Pete Nelson's tree houses? Whatever happened to that guy? Do you think you're useless in the bass fishing community? Do you think Pistol P alone could sway the bass fishing stocks? Solid day of bass fishing, bud. I was helping you. What do you mean off? I can't feel my toes, P. All right, this is a tricky part, and hopefully no one gets too pissed about me starting my engine. But like, I just don't have enough power to get up there with the trolling motor. Perfect. Well, not bad for a couple of hours. Some solid fish caught. You broke a new PB. I know it's unofficial, but that was a huge fish.
Another day, another bass.
Bud, good day.
Good day.
All right, guys, boat's hooked up, ready to go. We got out, that went smooth. There's a cop here. I don't think that was for us or for me starting the boat, but that's like literally the only way to get it up on the trailer in this spot or at this launch. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. We caught some really nice fish. P broke his PB, definitely about 4.5 to 5 pound fish. It was a really nice one. We caught some other good ones. The bite, probably the best bite we've ever had out in this lake, surprisingly. And it was a lot of fun. I'm glad P got to go with me, but I'm gonna get home, go eat some food. It is 5:42, so I will see you guys in the next episode.